The crypto market has crashed. Was it due to Trump's tariffs? Who really knows? It could be a number of things. However, what I do know, Bitcoin dropped down to $76,500 and XRP tipped $1.61. So what is there to expect in the immediate short term? Are we going to go lower? Are we going to get a rebound? That's something you're interested in. And stay tuned. Smash the like button, smash that bell notification. Let's get it. Okay, guys, welcome back to Crypto Mac. I'm not going to do the news at all. Today, I'm just mainly going to stick to the chart, and we're going to let it tell us what might happen in the immediate short term. Now, I got XRP pulled up. As you guys can see, we are in a falling wedge pattern right now. I actually have a book bio, a short that is in my YouTube shorts that you can check out with the falling wedge, and it shows you how it plays out, the whole nine. This is pretty much what has happened, and we just got a bounce right here off of this falling wedge support line. So mainly what we have to look forward to in the immediate short term, as you can tell, we just got oversold on the RSI. We are starting to get a bounce, as you can tell. And I don't know if you guys are very familiar with the RSI indicator, but from what I can tell, the moving average is below neutral. It's more of an oversold, so we have room to boost up, especially the RSI indicator itself is not even in the neutral zone yet. We still have much push side. What this could do is pretty much similar to over here, get a nice V-shaped recovery. This one might be quicker than this one. However, we could get a V-shaped recovery and retest this support line and possibly bounce out of it. That is the immediate short term. Long term, if we do get a break out of that, and then we can get past $2.68 to $2.70, then we will hit $3.80, guys. The pattern itself, after on the breakout point, will point it to $3.80. So that is the medium term. Long term, I'm pretty sure it's going to be 10, 20 bucks by the end of the year. As soon as all this crypto regulatory stuff and all this manipulation shit gets underhand and all that stuff. And also another thing, the RSI on the daily chart is doing a huge bearish divergence, a huge one. Eventually, we're going to get a break here, and it is going to be a nice pump. And that is exactly what I am expecting in the medium short term as well. So that's XRP. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Now, I put a short yesterday about Bitcoin and this big 4-year pattern that nobody was really talking about. It is pretty massive. It started in the last bull run around April. Let's see the head. Let's see the shoulder started around February and into April and June. That is when the first shoulder started. I'm sorry. We're about right here. Started in April and took it till October to just form the shoulder. So this pattern is a massive pattern. As you can tell, this is the line to break on a inverse head and shoulders is the neckline. We broke it, come back down. On my short, I said we're retesting it. As of right now, we broke below it. However, as we broke below it, we got a nice V-shaped recovery right back up into or over the inverse head and shoulders support. That is very big, guys. That's very big. That means we're still in a bullish stance. That means we still got a good shot at a nice recovery here and to get a nice shot at 89,000. So Bitcoin could play out very nice, and regardless of what XRP and any other coin does, what Bitcoin does, the crypto market follows. So if this does break, we could get a nice pop up to, I believe the target was 160,000 over the next month and a half, 2 months. So that is still in play. We're not we are not at all dying right now. It is bleeding. It did drop lower than my target. I thought that $1.94 was the bottom. As soon as we broke $1.94, all hell broke loose in the middle of the night, just like XRP does in the middle of the night. So we need to keep an eye on this right here. I'm expecting a good recovery and a push to 89,000 on Bitcoin. That would pull XRP. XRP also has its own fundamentals kicking for it as well. So it is still in this wedge. It got a nice bounce. Look at that. Look at that. It got almost a perfect bounce. So everything is still looking okay, guys. We are back up to $1.90. We were $1.60. I mean, every indicator, especially the RSI, is showing, oversold. I believe we are still in play here. Now, I would bet on putting a long on Bitcoin if you could. Because I got a feeling, especially since we got to bounce off this, I got a feeling we're going to be going up to at least 89,000 and retesting that resistance line. So if you guys stay with me to the end, I appreciate it. Check out all my latest videos on the left. You can subscribe to me on the right. And until the next video, guys, take care of yourself and each other.